Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to prime it with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm just using a brown eyeshadow and putting that in my crease and using that as my transition color. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution, the Lion King Circle of Life eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and put that all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Fluffy Crisscross Natural Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Saw No PoreBlem Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector at. Now I'm just using that ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm just using the setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the Beauty Bay Blush in Coral. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick in Like Squirt. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this makeup look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, was comment and share, because I really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, was on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you all on the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.